Hello, it's Nick Aarons, and I bought, so you know the DeWalt drill, I bought a Black & Decker case. It works pretty good. This is the part 2, and I bought the drill bits. This is for cement. I'm pretty sure this right here is for cement. There's a whole bunch of different sizes, and here's one of a sample for it. I haven't even used half of these. This one is for plastic, and this is for, this right here is for wood. No, wait, this is for plastic and metal. And he got adapters, and he got flatheads, Phillips, everything. And he got, I like this here. That is really nice. And the disappointment is about, these aren't magnet, and most of them are. Actually, they might be. Oh yeah, they're magnet. I don't know. The inside of this is magnet. It's a magnet attach. It's not a clip attach, which is really nice and fancy. Surprisingly, I got this pretty cheap. It's a Black & Decker. Oh yeah. You got extra screws that came with it. I don't know what that is. You got your star-shaped bit set. You got big flathead. Here, okay, now I'm gonna show you every single bit I have. So here you have your 5/16 drill bit for cement. You got your 1964 drill bit. You got your, no, you got your 930, you got your 932 size. You got your 1/4, and you got your 1564 right here. You got your, and that goes all the way down smaller and smaller. Here you got all your drill bits, and here, these are unique. These are for cement. Here. And there's bigger and smaller of those, so. And then, it's hard to open this thing. You gotta get like something to pick it open kind of first, just to get it broken. And this is your smallest one you can get of the ones for wood and plastic. This is that. I don't know if you can see it that good. So that should be it for the Black & Decker bit set. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm Nick Aarons. See you in the next video.